Hello. Today, I'm making a really delicious half-boiled egg sauce that will make your rice taste 200% better. It's called Buchu Jjabagi, which is made by adding finely chopped chives. If you mix the soft and savory half-boiled egg with the egg sauce seasoning and eat it with rice, you'll quickly finish a bowl of rice with the savory and soft texture. Let's make Buchu Jjabagi. First, put 12 eggs in a pot, fill it with water, and add about 10 milliliters of salt and about 10 milliliters of vinegar. If you add salt and vinegar when boiling eggs, it will sterilize and peel the shells easily. Boil the eggs for about 5 minutes to make them half-boiled, then rinse them in cold water and let them cool completely. Ingredients: 12 eggs, a handful of chives, 1 small onion, 2 green peppers, 1 labuyo. If you like spicy food, 2 labuyo is enough. Seasoning: 200 milliliters soy sauce, 200 milliliters water, 75 milliliters sugar, 75 milliliters oligosaccharide, 15 milliliters minced garlic, 30 milliliters sesame oil, about 45 milliliters sesame seeds. While the eggs are boiling, prepare the seasoning sauce. Chop the onion into small pieces. Chop the pepper into small pieces. Finally, chop the chives into small pieces. Now, add 200 milliliters soy sauce and 200 milliliters water to the airtight container you prepared. Add 75 milliliters sugar, 75 milliliters oligosaccharide. Add the chives and mix. "15 milliliters minced garlic, 30 milliliters sesame oil, and mix well. Then add the boiled and shelled eggs. Finally, sprinkle sesame seeds to your taste, and it's done. If you put it in the refrigerator for about a day, the eggs will absorb the soy sauce and turn brown. If you put it in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, it will be the most delicious after about 3 days, and it can be stored for up to a week. Please subscribe, like, and set notifications. Have a nice day.